Now we see how files work. Text file works, not binary, right? So we have a class files, and we have function, we have a file variable, file data, and we have read function, self, this is the object, and file we will provide, and we have file is equal to self dot file is equal to file, and f is equal to open self dot file in read mode. Now we have f dot read function, it will read the file, txt file, okay, and we should close the file, okay. We have object is equal to files class, we have obj dot read, and argument should be one dot text. This file should be present, okay, this file should be present in the directory, in the same directory. Okay, let's see. So there is problem with the read, okay, this is the function. There is no print function, print txt. You see, this is the file one.txt. If I want to append it, some text, then what should we do? We should close first. We should comment this, and we should open the file. We should open the file in append mode. We should write into the file. This is new text. This is new text at the end, and we should read the file, and we should print the file. Okay, how to read the file? Again, f dot close, in the read mode close, and we should open it again. F is equal to open self dot file, and in read mode. So you see, this is new text at the end, this is new text. So this is how we append the file, append into the file, read, write. So if there is an error, then we use try catch, okay. We put into the try and catch, okay, and try exceptions.